Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can create a video collage using VN Video Editor. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my VN Video Editor on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create new project. So I'm going to click on this plus icon and then select new project. Okay, and since we want to edit video, we can choose video based. And then I'm going to add background for my video collage. I'm going to go to the stocks in VN and I'm just going to add this black background. Okay, and we can click on next and then change the aspect ratio. You can go to this menu and then select the ratio for your editing. And for example, I'm just going to choose this ratio and click on the check mark. And then we're going to add multiple videos to our project. I'm going to click on the speed IP option and select photos or videos. And for example, I'm just going to add a video from my download album. I'm going to pick random video from here. I'm going to select this one for the first video. And then we can arrange the video. Okay, and then I'm going to add 3 videos on one screen. I'm going to go back to the PIP again, and then I'm going to choose another video. Okay, and then I'm going to go back to the PIP, select photos or video, and then for the third video I'm going to choose this one. Okay, and then I'm going to make it bigger like this. Okay, and as you can see that the video collage has been created guys, and then you can keep adjusting until you're satisfied with how it looks. Okay, and then I'm going to split the video. I'm going to make them have same duration. Okay, just like this. Oops, sorry. Okay, can click on split and delete. Alright, and this is the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create video collage using VN Video Editor. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel. Bye!